Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use your hightail. There's two different ways you can put your hair into the hightail accessory, and I'm going to show you both of them. The first way is how I usually use mine, which is with my hair free. So the hightail is already on my helmet, and you're going to put the helmet on like normal. Alright, don't forget to buckle up. Okay, then I just grab my hair, find the elastic piece, pull it down, and tuck my hair inside, and I'm ready to go. The next way is with your hair in a ponytail or in a braid. So if you're riding on the track, you probably already have your hair in a braid, and the hightail hair pocket will just provide extra protection and keep it tucked in on the truck. Just going to put my hair in a low ponytail so my helmet will fit. Again, put the helmet on like normal. Okay, find the ponytail, find that elastic band again, and just tuck it inside. Easy as that. Those are the two different ways with your hair free, which gives you that magic movie moment at the end, or with the more low maintenance hair in a ponytail or a braid. Thanks, please watch our other tutorials.